The common skin issue that so many deal with, all right, it's inflammation, and that's what we're talking about. So we've called in our favorite skincare expert, board-certified dermatologist, Dr. Whitney Bowe, for some advice. And Dr. Bowe, it is good to see you, but I'll admit, this kind of came up because Tommy and I were dealing with some inflammation, and we're like, what's going on? So let's talk about it. What is inflammation?
So when your skin is inflamed, your immune cells release chemicals that increase blood flow into the skin and trigger a process of cellular repair. Now, while that process is meant to heal the skin, it can result in some pretty uncomfortable signs, symptoms, so things like redness, swelling, inflammation, and even discoloration in the skin as well.
And so, Dr. Bowe, you say that inflammation can be caused by so many things, from sunburns to allergic reaction to powerful anti-aging ingredients like retinol. This TikTok user posted a video about her skin's reaction. What's happening here when you look at that?
Even active ingredients like retinoids can cause inflammation in the skin if they're not
That's
used
what happens to me?
the right way. Exactly. Right. So, retinoids, I'm a huge fan of retinoids. Retinol, retinal, they're excellent for acne. They're excellent for signs of aging, fine lines, wrinkles, stimulating collagen synthesis in the skin. But if you're new to retinoids and you just dive right in, you start using it every single night, right away, right off the bat, it can lead to inflammation in the skin. It's actually one of the reasons why my skin cycling method went viral, is because when people were experiencing this firsthand and they're like, wait a second, if I back off and I slowly introduce these powerful actives over time, I can get all the benefits from these ingredients, right? But without going through this very unnecessary inflammatory stage.
And people really should look up your skin cycling. It's all free on your Instagram because that has helped so many people. It's amazing. Yeah.
This is the type of advice I need because I'm the person who goes and is like, how much can I try to put on? I love a skin product routine, and I'm trying to find, okay, less is more.
More is not better.
Yeah,
right,
more
exactly.
is not better, less is more. When I'm on social media, though, especially this time of year, I'm seeing a lot about the margarita burn, I think is what it's called. What is this that I'm seeing all over TikTok?
I see this every summer. So it's something called it's phytophotodermatitis is the technical term. It's also known as margarita burn because it happens when people are making margaritas on the beach. So what's happening is that plant chemicals, plant compounds are getting on the skin. That skin is exposed to sunlight, and then you can get a reaction. You can get really bad burns, blistering, even something called post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, where the skin is stained for literally months, even after the inflammation goes away. Now, this happens with citrus fruits, so I think people mostly are familiar. Limes, lemon juice, margaritas, right? But it can also happen with celery. It can happen with parsley. So if you're preparing those foods, fruits, vegetables, you want to really thoroughly rinse your skin with soap and water, pat dry, put on sunscreen before you go out in the sun.
You forget how powerful plants can be. Real quick, a plan of action for this inflammation.
If your skin barrier is damaged, less is more, right? So you want to use a gentle cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen. You can layer a serum under that moisturizer with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, peptides. You just want to make sure that all these products have been clinically tested on sensitive skin or post-procedure skin, because products that you can use post-laser or post-chemical peel are actually excellent for when the skin barrier is damaged.
You're the best. Thank you so much.
Best.
It is so good to
skin
see
is
you.
so good.
Oh,
your
good. I've been watching the entire
That's actually glowing skin over there.
At Dr. Whitney Bowe on Instagram. It's a lot of good advice on there. Thank you so much.